everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the Alopecia Ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about wigs from the perspective of someone who's dealt with hair loss for pretty much my whole life and has been wearing wigs daily since about the age of 7. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a couple of holiday look ideas and of course incorporating wigs and wig styling into these looks. So I have a couple of looks to show you in this video. Let's go ahead and jump on into the first one. For this first outfit, I wanted to incorporate this plaid dress because plaid always reminds me of the holiday season. Of course, because it is usually a lot colder during the holiday months, I decided to add a lot of layering to this outfit as well. So for the top, I put on this black sheer top underneath, so you can still let the dress be the focus of the outfit, but still keep a little bit warmer than you would without this top. And for the bottom half, I always love wearing patterned tights around the holidays as well, but to keep it extra warm, I'm actually wearing a pair of beige tights underneath so that I have a layer of patterned tights, but then still have that layer of warmth underneath. For this wig, I'm wearing the gorgeous wig Brooklyn from the Alexander Couture Collection, and this color is so nice for the holidays as well. This is Henna Red R. I absolutely love the waves this wig comes with out of the box, but this wig is also heat friendly, so you do have the flexibility to style it any which way you want. This wig also features a beautiful lace front and lace part, which gives it a really natural looking hairline. For a holiday look, you can do something as simple as adding some accessories like this black headband, easy to throw on but just dresses anything up automatically. But for this look, I decided to pull it back into a half ponytail. I was looking for a clip-on bow to add to the half ponytail as an accessory, but you can use any sort of clip or accessory that will kind of give it a little bit of a flare. So for this, I used this ponytail holder that has a little bit of a pom-pom on it for a little bit of an extra flare for the holidays. Now moving on to look number 2. For this outfit, I was really excited with how it was coming together. I started out with this sequin copper colored dress, which I thought was really reminiscent of the holiday season and is absolutely beautiful, but again, factoring in that same logic from the previous outfit, I wanted to add some more layering for warmth. So I saw this shirt in my closet and I thought it would pair really nicely with the sequin dress. It's not something that I usually would have paired together, but I think it came out really, really nicely. I love the cream color of the top paired with the copper color of the dress. And then to pull it all together, I also added this gold chain crescent moon necklace, which also gave it a really beautiful kind of holiday look as well. And of course, my favorite secret for staying extra warm while wearing dresses for the holiday season is these fleece tights that I have. On the outside, they look like you're wearing a regular normal pair of black tights, but on the inside, they're actually very warm and fleecy, thicker than my thickest pair of leggings, so you have the illusion of having a nice pair of tights, but they're just as warm as a pair of pants or even more than. I wasn't planning on wearing the Brooklyn wig again for this outfit, but I was already wearing it while I was putting this outfit on, and I thought the red henna color of this wig also just looked so beautiful with the copper color of this dress, so it was a beautiful look as well. But of course, the fun part of wearing wigs with different outfits is the ability to switch back and forth so easily. I also tried this outfit on with the wig style Marion from the Orchid Collection, and this color is Champagne Blush. I absolutely love the look of this outfit with a blonde hair color like this one as well. And for the third look, I wanted to focus on styling shorter hairstyles for the holiday season, and just to show how simple it can be. Even if you can't pull a wig back into a ponytail, if it's too short for that, you can really dress up any look with something as simple as headbands and accessories. This is the wig style Phoenix, and this is the color Spring Honey Tea. So with this outfit, I'm really just wearing a plain white button-down shirt, but you can really kind of dress this up a little bit with accessories and even with makeup. So for this look, I decided to incorporate a red sparkly lipstick that I thought was just absolutely beautiful for a holiday look, and it's such a great way to keep it simple. I tried a few hair accessories with this look. This black headband looked really lovely. I also love this big black bow in my hair, but I finally settled on this velvet red headband because I always find velvet is also a really lovely kind of fabric texture for the holidays. And even though this look is a very simple one, it's something you can easily do in just a matter of minutes at home if you're going to a holiday party or something like that, and it just makes the look really come together. So that brings us to the end of this video. Let us know in the comments below which of these outfits was your favorite, which of these wigs was your favorite, and which of these wigs you think you might try picking up for yourself. If you post any pictures of our wigs using any of these hairstyling tips on social media, be sure to tag us at René of Paris. If you want to learn more about any of the wigs that I talked about in this video, you can also check all of these out on our website, reneofparis.com. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.